sometimes it helps. It's very unpredictable. But I'm in the mood. Aren't we all so lucky? I made it through January without a cold, basically, and now it's February. So I have no plan here. We are just hanging out and seeing if this clears me out. I am just like a little extra sniffly. I'm going to try to do the normal amounts, and actually might do some stifles to see if I can get Chingy to stay in a little bit longer. I'm not doing a good job of announcing. Alright, I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh god. I do think my nose has been like a little bit more sensitive, but this cold has not been as generally sneezy as the ones I had the last couple months. And yes, that's plural, which is ridiculous, but you know. Oh god, I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh god. I'm gonna sneeze again. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh god. Oh. Ooh. Oh god, cheek me everywhere. Oh goodness, oh goodness. Ooh. I almost did this in white. I was like, oh no, I don't need to mess up anything that's white. This chigni gets everywhere. Oh, see, look, I was sniffly, and now I'm stuffy. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh god. Just sneeze again. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. That was big. Ooh. Hey. Oh god. Ooh. Well, it's clearing me out. Oh, I got myself. Just the day start with another cold. What else is new? Okay, let's do it again. I definitely went for cozy clothes here. So cozy. So sorry, I can't always win in that boat, but sometimes cozy's the best. Come on, team. I had the sniffles, and it's getting late. Sneeze while cozy. Sneeze in spicy outfit another time. Okay. Round 2. Announcing. My nose is so sensitive. Oh my god. I'm gonna sneeze. It tickles so much. Oh my god. It tickles so much. Oh my god. My stomach's making so much noise. Oh my god. I'm gonna. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh, goodness gracious. Ooh. I'm gonna sneeze again. Sneeze. You. Oh. Sorry. Oh my god. Another one is coming. Oh my god. I'm in stasis. I'm gonna sneeze again. It's stuck. Oh my god, rub my nose. Itchy. Oh my god. Whoa. It's okay. Oh my gosh. These are nuts. Oh, I got really cleared out. Does that mean if I do more, I'm going to be even more cleared out? Yes? I say yes. The night is young. Chinking it up. Don't sing song. No one wants that. Oh my god. No one can say it's not fun when you're doing sneezy stuff when your nose is already a mess. Oh, came back out. That's not a good sign. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Oh my god. Okay. My nose is rejecting it. Does that mean I should do more? If I'm going to do more, do it fast. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Regret. It's tickling. Oh my god. Okay. Wait. Oh god. I'm not a spaz. Yes, I'm in such a spaz. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Come on. Oh, stuck. Oh. Okay. Really? Two. Whoa, we're losing it. Whoa. Okay. Come on. Well, there you go. Oh, there you go. No, you can't see. There you go. I call it a sniffles success of a cold with Chingy. Take care, everybody. I'm gonna rest up.